So when you set bitrate in videos, you can actually set two types of bitrates. One is a CBR, a constant bitrate, and another one is a VBR, that is a variable bitrate. If you want to go ahead and change that out, you can actually click on the preset name right here. And if you were to go around and scroll down, as long as the video format supports it, you will be able to go ahead and select it out. Let's say, for example, around over here, you can see the bitrate encoding. So if I were to select CBR, it is constant bitrate, meaning over here, what I can do is I can set a bitrate right here. And then what happens is that even if the movement in the video is low, the information is low, or even if it is high, it'll simply use 20 megabits per second right here. This actually results in a high file size, but a faster processing. But if you want, let's say, for example, a variable bitrate, so if there's more movement, more information in the video, you want it to use a higher bitrate. And other time, if you want to save some data, if higher bits are not necessary, then you can use VBR right here. So in pass one, what you can do is you can set a target bitrate. Let's say, for example, you can go for 40 right here. Then what happens is that 40 will be the target bitrate, and if there's information that is required, that requires a lot of details, it'll use 40 bitrate, and if not, it'll use lower bitrate. But if you want to set the threshold on how much the high end of the bitrate should be and how the low end of the bitrate should be, then you can actually go to VBR pass 2 right here. So now what you can actually do is set out a target bitrate. Let's say, for example, the target is, let's say, 50 right here, and there may be a minimum bitrate that you want to use. In that case, I can go around and decrease, and let's say, for example, use it out. So this is the maximum bitrate, as you can see right here. So I can go ahead and decrease a target bitrate. Let's say this is going to be minimum, 10 megabits per second is going to be the minimum, and then I can set the maximum to be 50, meaning it will continue to use 10 megabits per second, whether there is information or not. That is the minimum threshold that we have set. And then the maximum is 50, meaning when it is required to preserve quality, you can go ahead and set the maximum bitrate as 50. And this is what CBR and VBR is, that is constant bitrate and variable bitrate is. And that is how you can set it inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.